Hi, my name's Tom. When we bought this couch, we came with no pillows. So we picked up some of these cheapy pillows, and we quickly decided we just didn't really like the way they looked with the couch. For whatever reason, my wife said, nope, nope, that's not what we want. So instead of actually going out and buying new pillows, what we did instead was we picked up pillow covers from Amazon. Uh, what these things do is they just cover your pillow and they make it look like whatever you want it to look like. So what you do is you take your pillow, so we have this one here, and you measure it, and you go ahead and you find your measurement, and our measurement happens to be this one. And what you do is you basically take your pillow and you shove it in. It's just like a pillowcase, basically, the decorative pillowcase. And I'm gonna shove it in real quick here, okay? And then once it's actually in, you just go ahead and you zip it up. It has really nice little small zippers. These are beautiful zippers. And I'm gonna show you something with the zipper here. Let me zip it all the way up, okay? Which side has the zipper? Quick. Yeah, exactly. Wait. No, wait, I was wrong. This side has a zipper. The nice thing about these, they actually cover that seam really, really, really well. You can barely see it. It's a tiny little zipper thing right here, and I've never even noticed it actually. So that's great. So we actually keep these on the couch, but they have nice. They feel very soft. They have nice little ridges. We really like it. I think they come in different colors. But they're basically, you just take old pillows that you don't like and you cover them, and it's a much better idea than actually just throwing pillows out and getting new pillows and then not liking them and keep doing it. You just take your old pillows, you cover them up, and they look great. I highly recommend these.